So today we have a tale of two starters. Part of my never-ending quest to make this truck better and drop some weight off of it, I'm changing the starters even though this one's working fine. Don't ask. So if you've been here before and you kind of know this truck and me, I do things that people frown upon. I race that truck. Oh, they're not for that. Anyways, it's America last time I checked. So I did some reading. I'm actually going to link the guy's YouTube video below. It was very helpful. That is a 5.3 like L83, 6.2 L86. These newer direct injection starters. They bolt right on these LS engines. They're lighter. I'll show you that in a moment. And they're higher torque. They got a better ratio in them to fly them over. Not this super high compression. It's 10.5 to 1 currently. We are gonna swap to some smaller chamber heads and thinner gaskets down the line and bump it up at least another half a point. So any little bit helps. These were 9.5 to 1 ish, pretty much all the truck engines back from the factory. So that's the plan. Gonna show how simple and easy it is to swap. They're actually very cheap too. That's a low mile one I scored off eBay for less than $50 from a recycling yard up there. So show you the weight next, and then I'll get it up in there and show you how it fits and how simple it is. So I've got my two starters here and my little scale that goes at 33 pounds allegedly. We're going to stick the one that come off the truck that I can assume was like a cheap AutoZone or whatever replacement. Actually feels pretty light. I'll move you in a little closer so you can see the weights. 8 pounds, 4 ounces. Let it zero itself back out. This one actually feels heavier. It's supposed to be a pound lighter. We shall see. £6, 11.6 ounces. Okay. Yeah, that's a little over a pound. Cool. That's weird that that one felt heavier. So, one little small modification here. For the small wire on the starter, these years have a plug. They did me a solid, left me the plug. I put a eyelet on it, a couple lock washers, screw and a nut out of my stainless fastener drawer. The post is on the side. It's still kind of on the front here, but mainly they take it from the side. That's good or bad, we're about to find out. I could have just snipped this but connected it to the original one, but if I ever want to go back, if this doesn't work out for some reason, it's literally a removable modification. If you don't want to do it this way, don't. Just giving you an idea of how I'm doing it. So we'll go ahead and do that to get this in there, and we'll go from there. Show you the finished product, and then stay tuned because I have another trivial weight loss modification we're going to do to this that's low buck. I know it doesn't sound like much, a little over a pound. What I think the other thing I'm doing is another 5 or 6 pounds, but it's all off the right part of the truck to help it weight transfer better. It's all low budget. I'm not buying carbon fiber body panels or anything ridiculously expensive to take weight off it. This is all around $100 or less each item. So stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and take care of this wire connection up here right now. I'm gonna hook it together, wrap it with electrical tape really good, and then get everything installed, and we'll show the finished product. Alright, so there that is, all connected tight. Like I said, I'm going to wrap it with electrical tape, put the starter in, plug this in, battery cable on, and we'll be good to go. Alright, so that's in there. See, more room for activities in here. Not that we need it, but hey, whatever, every little bit helps. Got my battery connection. There's this little plug pigtail here. I may now, with that extra space, not have to remove this dust cover right here every time I want to drop the starter. So that could be an added plus as well. So we're going to end it off here. I had some other stuff planned originally, but I think it was going to muddy this install up too much. So we'll leave it right here. And of course, before we leave, finally, everybody has to know, well, does it work? Of course it does. Voila. So there you have it. I will link some things in the description. Obviously, the original guy I got the idea from, give him credit for that. And any other little part numbers or helpful links. As always, thanks for watching.